Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you a feature that you guys might be missing out on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So as we know that the S24 series is packed with a lot of many Galaxy AI features. So there's another Galaxy AI feature that you guys might be missing out, by which you can generate unlimited wallpapers. So today in this video we will check that out. So to use this feature, you will have to go into your settings. From here, you have to select wallpaper and style. Now you have to select change wallpapers. After selecting change wallpapers, you will have to select this create with AI option. And after selecting create with AI, you will get to see that there are two options available, home screen and lock screen, or only lock screen. So I will select this home screen and lock screen, by which I can generate AI wallpapers. So here you will get to see some options available. So as I want to generate a wallpaper with a night theme, so if you will tap on the night, you will get to see some options like you can change the color. I will change the color into blue, and from mountains I will select river with some clouds. Now I will just tap on generate, and you will have to first of all agree some terms of service. For using this feature, you will have to agree these terms of service. And after that you will have to wait for a while and your wallpaper will be generated. As you can see, the wallpaper is now available and this wallpaper looks really awesome. Using this wallpaper trick, you can create your imaginations into reality in the form of wallpapers. Now instead of clouds, I have selected ice over here. As you can see, now a wallpaper is generated with the ice over here. You can also generate some imaginary wallpapers from here as well. For that you will have to swipe down and click on this imaginary option. Now from here, instead of lamp I will select building, and instead of flowers I will select cotton. You can also change colors in this as well. As you can see, you can change multiple colors from pink and purple to some other color that you like, and in very less time it will generate the wallpaper for you. As you can see, now this imaginary wallpaper is available. You can also set it both for your lock screen or your home screen. So do check out this trick to generate these unlimited and awesome wallpapers, by which you can turn your imagination into reality in the form of wallpapers. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this amazing wallpaper feature that you guys might be missing out. Do let me know in the comment section that did you knew about this feature or not. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.